Furry bowls, how can I fix this? I do think that I either have a bad STL file or a slicer setting that is off. I have tried to print this same file twice with same results. I made the second one larger and made changes to the slicer setting, and that did not help. I will be reworking the STL file before I try to reprint the Furry bowl, and hopefully that fixes the problem with it. So to see if I can get this done, subscribe and give me a like. I will keep printing good or bad as long as I learn from the bad. Happy 3D printing, everyone!